Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I'll be unboxing and reviewing 2DR cases for the Google Pixel 4 XL, and I'll also be giving away one of these cases. So guys, here are the two cases that I'm going to be reviewing. You can buy them online on Amazon.in or Ticketek's official website. They're priced at 749 rupees, and if you can buy something more than 1000 rupees, you can use the Ticketek's coupon to get 7% discount. So comparatively, if you buy it on Ticketek's website, you can get a bit of a discount. Now with that said, I just want to show you the current case that I'm using. This is an official Google case for the Google Pixel 4 XL, and despite using it pretty carefully, as you can see, it's become pretty ugly or dirty, whatever you want to call it. And the only good thing about this particular case is we can wash it off and it kind of becomes brand new, that's all. And it doesn't offer any kind of extra protection, while these cases definitely do offer some extra protection. So without any further delays, let's just unbox them first. By the way, about that giveaway, stay tuned till the end of the video to know more information about that. So here's the first case, and here's the second one in the blue color. By the way, there are 4 colors available: metallic slate, metallic black, blue and rose gold. And we have the blue and the matte black color with us right now. So before we proceed, let me just try it on. Let me just try it with the blue one. So this is how the case looks. By the way, both the cases are exactly the same except for the color combination and slight difference of material. Both are plastic on the back, but this one on the left side, that's the matte black, has a matte finish. It feels much more smoother, while the blue one is completely a hard plastic. So this is how the phone looks with the case on the front, and this is how it looks on the back. Now for the camera module, it has a raised lip, so whenever you place your phone directly on its back, camera module is still very well protected. And even on the front, there is a bit of raised lip, not too big but definitely sufficient. So even when you place your phone directly on its face, display is pretty well protected. Right now I'm not using any kind of tempered glass on it, so once I put it on, it might be flush to the case. Anyway, this is how it looks on the front. Now for the edges, it has all the cutouts for the speakers and the charger. This is the top, we have a cutout for the microphone. And this is the right side with the power and volume buttons. And this is the left side, which is completely plain. Now for the buttons, they are sufficiently elevated. They give it a nice clicky sound, but they are slightly hard to press. So they could have done a better job. Now let me just try out the black case. That's the one with the matte black color. By the way, this is how the case looks underneath. Even though this case looks like a regular hard case or hard bumper case, in fact it's made of 2 layers. The back one is specifically made of hard plastic, while the plastic used underneath is made of soft plastic. And even on the sides, it's made of slightly hard plastic, which can absorb some impact when you drop your phone. With that said, I definitely suggest you to use this case cautiously. So guys, this is how the phone looks on the back with the matte black color case from 2DR. Because of the matte black color or the matte finish, it feels very smooth, and because of that, it is also slightly slippery. With that said, it's definitely better than using the phone without any case. So guys, these are the two 2DR cases for the Google Pixel 4 XL. If you want my suggestion, I'll suggest you to go with the matte black color. It looks better than the blue one, rose gold one, and even the metallic slate one. So this would be my suggestion. I know this phone is not officially being sold in India, but if you're like me who got it from abroad and you need a pretty good case, then we have these 2DR cases. Now to participate in the giveaway, just open the link in the description, follow the instructions, subscribe to us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and like us on Facebook, and that's it. We will pick a winner in a week and get back to you. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you're planning to buy these cases, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I am Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.